RMS.
Okay. What's the RMS on those? These things are pretty cool.
The 3K RMS each.
Okay. A little punchy too.
Yeah.
Do you have a song that goes a little lower frequency? That sounded pretty good, man. Use discount code Qez-Valer when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Awesome.
I need to clean up the wiring.
It's okay. Safe and wired up. It's just not clean, but it works. Looks good. Is this the 12?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this, can I look?
It's just 2 AGMs right now.
Okay. There we go. You can hide it back if you want, so I was just looking. The Group 31s?
Yeah.
All right.
Switching to lithium pretty soon. Need more power.
Yeah. Wow. Is this a 6th order?
Yes, sir.
Who built this? This looks good.
We did creative car audio.
Okay.
It was me and the dude over here with the Ford Explorer.
Oh, nice. What kind of subs are these? Genius?
The Genius Comp 11s.
Okay. What's the RMS on those? These things are pretty cool.
The 3K RMS each.
Okay.
Because of my 6th order, they can't get no more than what they're at the 3K RMS.
Yeah. All right.
The box is tuned for the rear port's tuned at 23, the front port's tuned at 44.
23, 44. So it probably got pretty good lows.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
I do dueling demos so that this is tuned musically.
Yeah. How does it do with your headrest or this part up above your headliner?
That's all sealed.
Oh, can I look at it?
Yep. Go ahead and pull it back.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Nice.
All the way back.
Wow. So you actually took the glass out?
The glass is still there, but it's
Okay, okay. You just got it sealed over. Got it. Okay. Are you having windshield issues breaking yet?
yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
This is as far as it's gotten, and I'm gonna change it.
Do any SPL tests on it yet?
The most I've done on this was a 154.
Okay.
I did it, but I did it with 2 DCs. When I did it with these, I did a 153.6.
153. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. All right. Oh, here's your phone.
No problem.
It was in the sun.
You just move the chalk.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea to keep the doors all the way open.
Oh yeah.
Nice. What was your name, man?
Marc.
Mark. Okay, Jacob. Awesome. On everybody, this is Qez-Valer. I hope you enjoyed the full walk-around. We got a Marc system he was showcasing at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show in 2022. Go ahead and give him a like. Really impressive 3,000 watt RMS subs, 2 of them in the car, and he actually built this box in the vehicle. Him and his teammate, I think he said was the owner of Team Creative Audio, did a really good job. Shout out to y'all. This was in Florida area, Jacksonville, Florida. I don't know where the actual shop is, but 2 18s. He didn't have a upgraded alternator, but these 18s actually were still getting pretty good a bit of X-Max excursion. You'll see with the 2-song demo he's going to be giving us. And I noticed the subwoofers, the way the cone is on them, has a cool cosmetic look, a little different than most subs. That's the 12,000 watt amp. Pretty impressive Brazilian power. Didn't find out if it was at 1 ohm or half ohm. Let's just assume it's at 1 ohm and 2 AGM batteries. So definitely he didn't turn it all the way up, but he did give me the sauce and let me see how it sounds. Really good bandwidth playing mid-20s all the way to the 50 hertz range. He did the second song was playing a little bit lower, you'll see, with some subflex. And this is a 6th order enclosure with that back port, so that did get a low-end response really well. So 2 18-inch subs on a 12,000 watt amp. Keep in mind it's a stock electrical alt, so lower power from that amplifier. We're coming to the 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for daily car audio videos.
got her from the problems. She always gets me in trouble. Fell in love with a dancer, and of course she from Nassau. Vanilla, Trilla, she look like she
with that baby, but don't do me.
Trilla, she look like she like and I like wall on the road. If it's trouble, then trouble on spot. I could I want some more. If it's trouble,
And it's everything, everything looking real fun.
I could I want some of that. Me and my dog should be comfortable. I take all the drugs and I want. Vanilla, I might get attached. Vanilla, Trilla. She look like
She look drunk with that baby, but don't do me. She look like she like while on the road and trouble on spot. Got you know.
Oh yeah, a little punchy too.
Yeah.
Do you have a song that goes a little lower frequency? That sounded pretty good, man. Awesome. I know you said you have some electrical issues you're still working on.
Yes.
Yeah. How low's your voltage going, you think, when you go full tilt on it? Like in the 11s, 12s?
I already see about 12.6.
12.6, okay. It's not horrible, but
Yeah, it needs to get better.
Get better, yeah. Very nice. What size alternator did you say?
I'm still on stock on.
Stock alternator,
Yes,
okay.
I had a built one, it blew.
Uh-oh,
Yeah.
okay.
with that baby. You can do you, but don't do me. Vanilla, Trilla. She look like she like Jordans, and I like while on the rocks. If it's trouble, then trouble on spot. She look good, I want some more. If it's trouble, ain't nothing wrong. When I step in this, everything mad. From afar, that thing looking real far. You know that I want some of that. Me and my dog should be come for the job. She wanna take all the drugs and all that. But vanilla, I might get attached. Vanilla, Trilla. She look like she like drugs. Put on with that baby. You can do you, but don't do me. Vanilla, Trilla. She look like she like drugs. And I like while on the rocks. If it's trouble and
Awesome. Thank you very much for the demo, Mark.
Appreciate it.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for watching too. I like it, man.
Thank you.
So it sounds like you got some future plans for it, and I'm sure you're still work in progress. But thank you for the demo, man.
No problem, thank you. When I
What?
get more power, definitely be
Oh yeah.
way more aggressive.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
I like your doors too. Look good.
Thank you.
I'll try to put this block back on for you, if that's okay. Yeah. There you go.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code Qez-Valer when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.